Real quick video today, guys. I just replaced this mirror on this car, and when I was taking the old mirror out, I cracked, and this stuff called liquid crystal came out and ran down on the side of my car. The liquid is a real thin layer that is inside the glass and causes it to auto darken. This may have happened to some of you out there and you're wondering how to get this off, because it does not wash off. This is the answer, guys. Acetone. It's not a fast process and you don't want to get it on like your rubber seals or anything, but it does take it off. So it's just some elbow grease and hopefully all this will be coming off, because it ran all the way down here. I was looking online and I couldn't find anything really to take this off. This will be a lifesaver to somebody out there that feels like they just ruined their paint job. Kind of scared me at first too, using acetone on paint, but it does work. It also takes tar off your car. I just thought I would share that with you guys. I know somebody out there is going to appreciate it. And that's what we got now. Much, much better.